Hi, beautiful souls. Today we're talking about cycle syncing, a women's health approach that matches your workouts, meals, and self-care to the phases of your menstrual cycle. It can help reduce cramps, boost your energy, and support hormone balance. Think of your cycle as 4 seasons. Each phase, menstrual, follicular, ovulation, and luteal, brings different energy levels and needs. Cycle syncing means adjusting your daily routine so you work with your body instead of pushing against it. Let's start with the menstrual phase, days 1 to 7. This is your inner winter. Your energy is often at its lowest. It's a time for rest, gentle movement, and nourishment. Activities like yoga, stretching, or slow walks can help keep your body moving without overdoing it. Focus on iron-rich foods like spinach, lentils, beans, or lean red meat to help replace what your body loses during your period. Hydration is also important. Warm herbal teas or soups can soothe cramps and give comfort. Next is the follicular phase, days 8 to 13. This is your inner spring. Estrogen starts to rise, bringing more energy, mental clarity, and motivation. This is a great time to try new workouts or increase intensity. Activities like strength training, cycling, or a brisk jog can feel good now. Fuel your body with fresh fruits, vegetables, lean protein, and whole grains to match your growing energy. It's also a perfect phase to start projects or set new goals because your brain and body are in a more optimistic, forward-moving mode. Around day 14 comes ovulation, your inner summer. This is when many women feel their strongest, most confident, and most social. Your energy peaks here. High-intensity workouts like HIIT, dance cardio, or heavier strength training can feel powerful now. You may also feel more outgoing, so this can be a great time to connect with others, schedule social events, or have important conversations. Keep your nutrition balanced with lean protein, complex carbs, and plenty of hydration, especially if you're training harder. Finally, we enter the luteal phase, days 15 to 28, your inner autumn. Progesterone rises and your body starts winding down in preparation for your next cycle. Energy may dip, and PMS symptoms like bloating, mood changes, or cravings can appear. This is a time to slow your workouts to steady, low-impact options like walking, Pilates, or light weights. Choose foods that keep blood sugar steady, complex carbs like oats or sweet potatoes, healthy fats like avocado or nuts, and quality protein. Magnesium-rich foods like dark chocolate or pumpkin seeds can help ease cramps and improve sleep. Give yourself permission to rest more, go to bed earlier, and avoid overcommitting. Cycle syncing is not just about workouts and nutrition. It's also about self-care. During your period, allow space for warmth, comfort, and rest. During high-energy phases, take on creative projects or social plans. In lower-energy days, slow down with mindful activities like journaling, meditation, or a relaxing bath. Starting is simple. Track your cycle with a calendar or app. Every day, note your energy, mood, and cravings. Over time, you'll notice patterns. Use these patterns to guide your workouts, meals, and self-care routines. Remember, cycle syncing is not about perfection. It's about tuning into your body's signals and making small adjustments that help you feel your best. Listen to yourself. If you need rest, take it. If you feel strong, embrace it. Your body works in rhythms, and when you honor those rhythms, you create space for better energy, better moods, and better overall well-being. You deserve to feel your best all month long. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment sharing your own experience with cycle syncing.